Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to make a logo for your Instagram or Facebook page. So what we're going to do is go over to Canva, we're going to type in logo, and I'm going to be travel, so I'm going to say, so my page is called Going with the Flow. I know, clever, right? Let's use this one. This one's kind of cute. Click customize, and then click on my, so I'll just click on the one doing edit. Readjust it. Take this one out. Let's make this say with the, make it a little smaller. And make it a little bigger. Anyways, whenever you have it ready, just click share, download. Make sure you're only saving the one page. We're going to edit the second one. Oh, oops. Download. Select pages. You only really want page 1. We're going to edit page 2. If you did both of them, you would download both of them. And then a PNG and done. Download. And there it is. There's your logo. Pretty simple. Let me know if you like it or what else you want tutorials on, and hopefully I'll see you back more. Remember to like and subscribe.